I recently did a video showing a Firefly Boards to Photoshop workflow, but since then, a new version of Nano Banana came out that I thought I'd update this workflow and see what would happen to those composites if I only used Nano Banana 2. These composites turned out incredible, but not without a bit of work prompting Nano Banana 2. Follow along to see how I got these creative results. For the first concept, we're creating a composite out of an otherworldly background and a book reader. We'll do the composite in Photoshop and the image generation in Firefly Boards. Boards is much easier to see all your generated images in one place so you can make decisions faster. First, I generated a reader. The cool thing about Nano 2 is that it renders text more legibly. No more garbage type. If you want to know more about Nano 2, follow me at the end of this video and I'll show you the top 4 updates you have to see. For the reader, I asked for a studio shot so we can easily remove its background. Next, we need the background image. I tried using the same prompt as I did before, but I wasn't as satisfied with the results. I ended up using the image from my last video as a reference image, and I got better results. Let's go to Photoshop to make our composite. We're in Photoshop, and we're going to make some lighting adjustments using the Harmonize tool, so our reader and the background image look more cohesive. I'll select the reader and hit Harmonize from the taskbar. When you use Harmonize, you get 3 variations of various lighting combinations. I like to hit Generate again to see if I can get even more interesting results. This one has some nice color from the background on his face. Next, we'll take the book and add some glow coming from it. I used the object selection tool and added it on another layer. Then I used the drop shadow layer effect so I can get the glow's direction. And there's our composite for concept 1. Let's move on to concept 2. For concept 2, it's a woman floating in the ocean with some bathtub toys. Again, I used the same prompt to get the image of the woman floating as I did the first time, but this time using Nano Banana 2. It gave me some interesting results. But the images got much better after I edited them, generating a new image with Nano Banana 2. I asked it for a simple ocean floor and changed her angle. I'm really happy with this one, so we'll bring it and our bathtub toys to Photoshop to create a composite. For this composite, because each of these objects was lit differently, we'll need to use Harmonize on each of them. First, I'll select her hair so I can move it in front of the top toy. Now I'll use Harmonize. Remember to check your variations to see the different lighting results. I like this one for this toy, and I'll move on to the duck and then the bottom fish. These toys look great now, floating along. And that's our composite for concept 2. For concept 3, we have a music listener in headphones and a Cyberpunk city behind. I'll generate the listener, prompting his hoodie and headphones to be in white. And I'll ask for a studio shot so we can remove the background. Next, our Cyberpunk city. I modified the prompt for this one because the original one was pretty basic. I included the lighting, colors, and subject. I generated a few results, but I'm happy with this one. It's got amazing colors in it. Let's go to Photoshop to make our composite. We're in Photoshop and we're going to use Harmonize again. I'm hoping to get some of the neon colors on his face. So he looks like he's there. I like 2 of these. One that's colorful and one that's muted. So I'm going to use both. I'll duplicate this Harmonize layer and then play around with the layer's opacity and blending mode to get a combination of the 2 lighting styles. Finally, I'll add the headphones on top so they stand out a bit more. I'll color them and Harmonize again, and there's our composite for concept 3. I really enjoyed generating the images for these concepts using Nano Banana 2, which has superior quality and creativity, plus it can generate type. Now, if you want to know more about Nano Banana 2, follow me back to Firefly Boards and I'll show you the top 4 upgrades for this new version of Nano Banana that you have to see.